on how to create a verified Binance account. Whether you are new to cryptocurrency trading or looking to expand your portfolio, having a verified Binance account is essential. I will be showing you how to create a verified Binance account, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchange platform in the world, and plus how you can get an additional 10% off of your trading fees with a special promo code Binance. So if you are interested in trading cryptocurrencies, this video is for you. Let's get started. Sign up in Binance. So first, open your web browser on Chrome or other browser, whatever you want. Here, I am going to open Chrome browser in my PC and go to Binance website Binance. Or use link in description below. It redirected you into this page. This is the official website for Binance. Once you are on the home page, and once you are here, you can just click on register now in the middle or here on the top where it says register. Either one of these buttons will work. I choose the middle one. Now here you can either sign up with your email address or your mobile phone, that is up to you. I recommend using email to start. Then review Binance terms of us in privacy policy, and if you agree, check the box and click next. After filling out the email, Binance will require a confirmation code. Just check your email or phone number. So go ahead, go into your inbox, and then you will be getting a code from Binance. So this is what the email will look like. So I am just gonna take that code, copy to the clipboard, then go back here and just paste it in these fields right here. And then we should automatically get redirected to the next step. Then create a strong password. Make sure to use a strong password to protect your account. Remember, a strong password is important for the security of your account. Now for the exciting part, to get your bonus, enter this promo code in the referral ID field. This special offer is a great way to kickstart your trading journey on Binance. You can also get an additional 10% off of your trading fees that you'll have to pay for each trade that you make on this exchange. And all you have to do here is just type in this specific referral ID or copy and paste from the description. I am also gonna leave this code down below in the description, and it's optional. Then you just click on next, and you get this page to confirm you to stay logged in for up to 5 days on your device. Then click on yes. Congratulations, you have successfully created your Binance account. Now, before we get to our dashboard, Binance is gonna show us this page where they kind of try to help us setting up our account by giving you different guides. Leave this, I am gonna show you everything in this video. Here you created and sign into Binance account, but one thing is left. What is it? Account security and identity verification. So what we are gonna do is just go to the top right. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and click on dashboard from the drop-down menu here. Then it redirects you to your dashboard page here. Then click on the account here in the left bottom and click on the security drop-down menu here. Then you get different two-factor authentication methods. The first thing that Binance wants us to do here is increase the security level of our account by adding two-factor authentication. Now what that means is that in the future, when you want to log in into your Binance account, you are not only going to have to enter your password to get to your account, but you are also going to have to enter a one-time code that you will be getting on your mobile phone either via text message or via the Google Authenticator application. Now, I highly recommend to actually use an application like Google Authenticator, because if you use your text messages, then criminals can do something called SIM swapping, which is where they get access to your text messages. And then when they actually have your password and access to your text messages, they can actually access your Binance account and transfer out all the funds to their accounts. So basically steal your cryptocurrency, which is not something you want to have happen. So that's why the Google Authenticator method is a lot more secure. So that's what we are gonna do here. So we are just gonna click on Manage Google Verification here. And then again, we get to this step where we can enable the Google Authenticator method as a two-factor authentication to protect your account and transactions. So here we are simply gonna go through each of the steps. First step is to download the Google Authenticator application on your phone if you do not already have an Authenticator application. To do that, you can click on Download Authenticator app here and scan the QR code by your phone depending on types of your phone to download the Authenticator application. or you can go to the App Store if you have an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. Download and install the application. And once you have done that, go to the second step. And now you can click on Enable Authenticator application right here. This is where we have to verify our Google Authenticator application by sending a code to your email. So when you click on Send Code right here, it is gonna send a code to your email inbox. Then you will be getting an email with a code. So you are just gonna copy this code and go back here and just paste it in this field. And here is where we have to generate this new one-time password on our Google Authenticator application. So if you have downloaded this app for the first time, it is gonna prompt you to scan a new QR code, which is this one right here. And if you already have this application, you can go to the top right corner, go to the plus sign and click on Scan a new QR code, and then just hold over the camera of your phone over this QR code on your computer screen. And then it will automatically generate a new 6-digit code on your phone that is gonna be generating a new code every 60 seconds. And then on the last step here, they want us to note down a recovery key for the case that if you ever lose your phone, then you will not be able to access your Binance account because you cannot generate this new one-time password to access your account. This is why this code is very important. So what you want to do is just note this down on a piece of paper somewhere and put it somewhere safe where you are not gonna lose it and where only you have access to this code, because whenever you lose your phone, you will need this code to recover your Binance account by opening a support ticket and telling them that you have lost your phone. So this is very important. Make sure you actually note this key somewhere safe and that you are not gonna lose this key. And then you also want to type in a code from your Google Authenticator application, the code that we have just generated. So I am just gonna type it in here, 896032. And once you have done that, you can click on Submit. And that should activate the Google Authenticator as a two-factor authentication for your account. As we can see here, it is now activated. Now, one more thing I want to mention you about security is that if you even want to enhance your security further, you do is to enable the anti-phishing code. What that means is that will just prevent you from getting scammed from just people sending you emails pretending to be Binance. Because what you can do here is generate a code or just type in a code that will be displayed every time you get an official email from Binance. So what we are gonna do is just click on Enable Anti-Phishing Code top here. And then as you can see, this will be what it looks like. So we are gonna click on Create Anti-Phishing Code here. So I am just gonna type in, this is Binance. Obviously, it does not really matter what word you type in here. Just you wanna make sure you remember this word so that you can actually see that it is not a scam email. Then you want to click on Submit. And now we have to verify it with our Google Authenticator application that we have just set up before. Then it automatically sets this code for me. And now I can always change that code in the future if I want to, but that's basically it. So we are gonna go back to security right here. So the next step is to do the identity verification. Identity verification to fully verify your account and unlock all features of Binance like fiat currency or to buy any cryptocurrency, you will need to complete the identity verification process. This involves providing personal information details such as your name, date of birth, and address, and documents as required by Binance. It is an important step to ensure the security and compliance of the platform. So what we are gonna do to complete the identity verification process, click on Verify here on the middle. And then what you want to do is just go through each of the steps that you see here. So just confirm your country, then click on Confirm here on the bottom. Then you want to type in all your personal information about home address right here. And I have actually already done this, and I have taken some screenshots. So I can show you each of the steps that you have to go through. So the first one after you have to fill in your information is to verify your identity using an ID card. So you can either use your passport, your ID card, or also a driver's license. I personally have used my ID card, so I have just chosen that and clicked on Continue. Then you can either upload a photo of your ID card, or you can also take a photo using your webcam. So I have uploaded a photo of my ID card, so I have just clicked on upload photos. And then upload front side and back side of your ID, which is less than 10 megabytes from your device. And upload sharp and readable photo of ID. Once it's sharp and readable, you can click on submit. And then on the next step, again, you have to confirm everything. Then on this step, they want to know if you actually are the person on your ID card. So again, you are gonna have to open your camera and take a photo of yourself. So you can either do that with your phone using the Binance application and the QR code using your phone. And then you can see your camera open up, and they are just gonna tell you to nod your head, open your mouth, and something like that. I think they just want to see if you are actually a real person. So it takes like a couple of seconds, and then when everything is fine, you are gonna see this screen right here, where they are gonna tell you that it is gonna take about 2 hours until you are verified, or 2 hours until or delays up to 3 days. You will receive an email notification once your account has been successfully verified. For me, I was verified pretty much immediately, after a couple of seconds. So yeah, probably it is gonna take not as long as they say here, but I do not know, maybe for you it is gonna take a bit longer. And then once your account is verified, you are gonna see this little verified icon here on the right top side of your profile icon. So once you see that, congratulations, you have successfully created and verified your Binance account. Now you can start exploring the platform and make your first cryptocurrency deposit. That is it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching and happy trading!